The ground provides a source of energy that we can feel even when we are not fully aware of it. When you are barefoot on the ground, do you feel warmth or a tingling sensation? Do you feel the energy rise up from your feet? This feeling is caused by grounding. Whether we are standing on grass, earth, sand, we are connected to nature. This connection to nature is called grounding. It takes place when our skin is directly in contact with some aspect of nature. Our contemporary lifestyle may cause fatigue, sleeplessness, and a disconnection from the natural rhythms of nature. Instead of being in balance, we experience stress and an overall discontent. KenkoGround serves as an indoor and portable way to reconnect with Mother Nature. Requires a grounded outlet for proper usage. You can use the KenkoGround anywhere there's a grounded outlet. Place it under your feet while working, draped around your shoulders. Remember to have direct contact with your skin for the best results. Enjoy the feeling of active wellness with KenkoGround from Nikken. Discover it, live it, share it.